Hi, it's Miss Todoric, and today we are going to test our typing speed. So you're going to visit nitrotype.com. And if this is your first time here, you're going to click on Play Now. Don't forget to hit the Shift for a capital letter. You're going to type what you see, and it's going to give you your words per minute. And then that's when you can establish an account. I am going to log in, use your school Gmail, because it's great because everything is imported with Google Classroom. So I have computer applications. Now you can get NT Gold. What Nitrotype Gold does, you'll see by your name, you'll see a gold N, and this removes the ads. It's about I think it's $10 a year. You can always claim prizes here. So this is my garage. I have a ton of cars. I've been on this game. Let's see, it's been a while since, 2000, I'm guessing 2008, online status. I don't know where my stats are. Let's see. My stats, okay, I've been on this. I've done over 6,000 races. October 18th, 2017. So that's a long time. I love this website. It's one of my favorite typing websites. I love how you can, it just goes along with Google Classroom. So every place and every school I've taught, it was very easy to keep track of the students, how long they've been on this website, how many races, their words per minute. So it's going to give you your average words per minute. And then it'll give you summaries, and then you'll have your students. You can join a team, and each time you race, it'll give you some money where you can go shopping at the garage. And then you'll see you can do paint your car. You can go to the shop and take a look. There's different stickers. I own a lot of items here, car parts. I don't have that. And then you can also race with your friends. I'm going to accept all. And then here's your class, which we're going to, obviously these are students from last semester. And then we have a team. Our team is TCC 21. I am the captain. We have 28 members. And let's see, the last race 5 days ago. So we did have someone 5 days ago, a week ago. All right, so this is homework. You got to practice your typing skills. And then the first thing you're going to do, obviously, you're going to add your classmates as friends. So you're going to look up Todoric 9, or I'm pretty sure it's right here, the Cool Classroom YT. So under friends, search. I think mine's under Todoric, either Todoric 9 or the Cool Classroom YT. No, so try Todoric 9. I think that was my original screening. But let me know in the comments if it's Todoric 9 or the Cool Classroom YT, this one right here. All right, and once you sign in, I will see your friend request. I'll see whether you're typing, and then you're going to start adding everyone, and you can see everyone listed in the class and on the team over here. All right, thanks so much. Till next time. Bye-bye. Real quick, before I leave, let's do one race. So this is what it looks like. We're gonna wait, you're gonna see a sentence, and then I have nails on right now, so it's gonna be a little bit harder for me to type. Enter to skip a word, like if you have a very long word. So do not hit the enter key when you're trying to figure out your accurate words per minute when you do the quiz at the beginning. But once you get on this game, that enter helps, especially if you're trying to win the race. And like I said, my nails, I'm going to be last place, I feel like. Yep. All right, so I did rank up, claim, I got $1 million, yay. So you can race again. I did, what is this, 40, 8 words per minute, top speed, it's over 6,000 races. Over here, it will show you your cash somewhere here. And then to race with friends, it's a little bit harder. Right here, you have to go to the garage, and then you're going to click race with friends. And then here you could just select everyone you want to invite. You can do casual instead of like a competitive, regardless of the speed. So I want you to compete with those who are at your speed or higher to challenge yourself. And then you're just going to start a friends race. All right, you'll get the hang of it. It's pretty fun. And then you'll see each season. This season, they have the dates. This is December 1st to March 2nd. So usually I'll have like a reward for the highest, let's say the typist at the highest level, how many, or the typist with the most number of races in that season, and I'll reward them with a t-shirt or a prize of some sort. All right. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.